Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Trafee and you're wondering, can you actually monetize and make money from this particular affiliate network? How does this all work? Is it legit? Is this a good use of your time? All right. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on this channel. Some of them are great. Some of them are so-so. Some of them are absolute waste of time. So let's check out Trafee to find out whether it's legit. Can you make a lot of money, or is this a big waste of time? All right. Now, Traffee is basically a very big affiliate network. All right. So it's a global affiliate network, and basically you can come here and pick different products, recommend them to people all over the world, and when somebody clicks on your link, you make a commission, and Traffee pays you directly for that product sale. That's how it basically works. So you're just becoming a referrer of products that they've built relationships with. All right. Now, Traffee is a CPA, CPL, and CPS network. That means that they have different types of offers. All right. So a CPA offer is cost per acquisition. That means it requires you to get someone to maybe fill out a form, fill out an application, or do a specific action, and then they'll pay you for that. They have CPS offers, which are very standard. That means that if you're selling a particular product, like a particular physical bag or something like that, when someone buys, they pay you a commission. Very, very simple. They also have rev share, okay, where you share revenue depending on what that offer is. And they've got roughly about 4,000 offers, which is pretty decent. All right, 4,000 offers for you to choose from in all the different verticals, and we'll talk about the verticals that they focus on specifically. Right. The nice thing that I like about Trafee is that they are global, so they are available in 100 countries around the world. All right, which is pretty cool. A lot of other networks, or some of the other popular ones, are not available in this many countries. Some of them are only available in like 20 countries, for example, 20 of the big countries. But Trafee allows a lot of smaller countries around the world to also take part, which means that if you live in a smaller country and you're included here, then you have access to these products, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, they've got pretty good support. They've got personal affiliate managers that will work directly with you. All right, and they focus, which is interesting, okay, in a very specific area. Right, so that's the only thing about Trafee, which may or may not be beneficial to you depending on what kind of marketer you are. Right, so they focus mainly on the adult niche, right? The dating niche, in the straight and the gay space. They also focus on adult games. So they're very big into adult stuff, right? So if you're in the, if you have an adult following, or you have a blog that talks about, sex or dating or relationships and things like that, then that's really the space that Trafee really does well in, because that they work with a lot of products in this area, right? But they also focus strangely on cameras and totes as well. So those are the two other verticals that they're in, which is a little bit weird. But if you have a blog that focuses on electronics or entertainment, things like that, then you can get access to a lot of great camera affiliate programs, right? Or if you have people that are interested in totes, then you can also do that. All right. But what I would say is that if you have a following in the adult space, right, the dating space, the relationship space, then this is actually a really good affiliate program, affiliate network to check out, right? Unfortunately, though, if you don't have a following in these spaces, adult, dating, whether it's gay and straight, adult games, cameras and totes, then this may not be the right affiliate network for you, because you're not going to be able to find the right affiliate offer. Okay. Now, how do they pay out? Okay, so this is the way it pays out. When you get someone to buy through your link for your product, Trafee gets basically the sale, and they hold it on for usually 30 to 60 days, and then they pay out after that every single week, either through PayPal, through Wire, through crypto, which is pretty cool, right? So 3 ways: PayPal, bank, wire, and cryptocurrency. It's very rare that an affiliate network pays out through cryptocurrency, so it's pretty cool that these guys do that, right? And you must have earned at least $100. Okay, so that's pretty little. $100 is quite a low threshold for you to get paid out, and they pay out, like I mentioned, every single week. All right. Now, here's the thing about a big affiliate network like Trafee. So even though these guys are great, if you're in the right space, okay, the only way that you can use them is if you already have a following. Okay, so you've got to have a website or a blog in the adult space, in the electronic space, in the camera space, in the tote space, or people that are interested in adult topics or dating, for example, or playing adult based games. If you're not in that space, it's going to be very difficult for you to promote their products, because to start as a beginner, or maybe you don't have a big website, you don't have a big blog, you don't have a big following on one of the social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram or something like that, then it's going to be difficult for you to actually monetize using their offers and their products, because you're not going to have a following, okay? But if you do, and you're in one of those verticals, then Trafee, I think, is a very, very cool affiliate network. So you can check them out at trafee.com. All right. Now, if you are here watching this video and you're like, well, Aaron, I want to get into affiliate marketing. I want to, learn to sell other people's products online. I want to make money that way, because this is a $12 billion industry. This is a very cool, legitimate industry. You can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a computer. But the problem is that if you're an absolute beginner and you don't have a following, you don't have a big website, you don't have a blog, you're not an influencer, you have no idea how to do this, how are you going to get started, right? Well, the thing is that you just need to know exactly how to set it up properly, how to pick products, and you can learn to do this in any space. And if you would like to learn how to do that for free, go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month minimum with affiliate marketing. I can show you how to do that for free. I've got a free masterclass. If you want to check that out, just click the link below. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Trafee. Very cool affiliate marketing network. If you are in the right space, and if you already have a big following, you can check them out at trafee.com. And I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.